Hey friends, so I'm a little bit under the weather today, but I wanted to show you something cool that I was working on. I picked up this really nice collective canvas jacket over at a thrift store recently. And looking at it, I mean, it's had its day for sure, but it really just needs some good restoration. So I picked up some of this Barbour wax, and we're gonna spend some time re-waxing this jacket. Let's go. First thing we're gonna do here is actually boil some water, because what we want to happen is to melt this Barbour wax. And I'm only going to fill it up about a third of the way. Now, we'll go ahead and put the stove on high, and put the wax inside with the top off, and let the water start boiling. Next, we're going to be doing just a little bit of cleaning of the jacket. Now, the jacket itself is already clean, but it does have a little bit of dust particles and things like that, so we're going to spend some time getting that off. If it were a little bit more dirty, let's say it actually had some dirt spots on there, I would suggest that we would use some cold water with any household sponge, and we'll be using this sponge later to actually spread on the wax, just to get rid of those dirty spots. But today, we're not going to need that. All we're going to need is this shoe brush. So this is a horsehair brush. I'll put a link to this in the description, available on Amazon, and we'll just brush it down, get all the dust fibers and things like that off, get it ready to wax. That's it. So now the wax is melted, the jacket is clean, now we're ready to go. So one thing I do want to mention is that you need to actually heat up the room a bit. Right now I have my temperature set to about 74 degrees. That's hot to me, so we'll see how it goes. Basically, the idea here is we want to spread it evenly all across the jacket. And we'll start working in panels. Okay, now we're ready to blow dry. So now we have just a standard blow dryer. I'm going to use this to basically heat up all the excess wax that's sitting on top of there and use an old t-shirt cutting to wipe away the excess. Now we just have it on a hanger sitting overnight. So what you're looking at now is the finished product, and it's been called curing over the course of the past 2 weeks, simply because I haven't needed a jacket to wear outside because it's been warm here in the Los Angeles area. So I can't say anything but positive things about the Barbour Wax. It did its job. I feel like if I poured a pitcher of water on top of it, the water would bead right off, no problem. Much like the sailors of yesteryear would want you to be able to do with that wax type of fabric built into the canvas. In the next video, I will probably be doing a Herschel bag and just seeing what the wax would look like in that type of fashion as well, and see long term how that would wear against a pair of jeans or something like that. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a line down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and have a great day.